kinda dinner time. There we go. I don't know if you can see it. Greg's. This is a margarita from Greg's. I love it. Affordable. Even if you're broke as fuck. What was it for? 210. And it's delicious. This is a margarita. They've got wonderful flavors as well. Other different kinds of pizzas. They've got pockets. They've got a wide selection of sandwiches. There you go. Beautiful, isn't it? Smells good. Beautiful, you know why? Food organized in a proper way is beautiful for me. I think I am OCD. What do you guys think? I think so, I am. Oh, my hair's gone wild. Like, too much of straight hair? Nah, I want a little imperfection with a lot of perfection, I suppose. That's me. And I'm enjoying this food too. Gosh, I'm having Greg's, a pizza from Greg's after such a long time. I love the food here. It's tasty, it's affordable, it's healthy, freshly baked if you come in and eat. Even if you get, deliveries, you've got packs of 6, packs of 4. You can survive on them for ages, and you can get all of that in under 10 pounds. You just need a good refrigerator and to heat it up, preferably a microwave. If not, you can heat it up on a stove top. Too much work, I know. I hate that too, but you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, guys. So yeah, amazing. And you've got families coming in here. So apparently Greg's is open till 8:30 from Mondays to Saturday. At least this one in the Battery Retail Park, Sainsbury. Sorry, not Sainsbury. Battery Retail Park, Celio. And the one here is actually open till, what was I saying? Yeah, 8:30, I believe. From Mondays to Saturdays, and on Sundays it's open till 6. I was misled. Apparently, I was told on Sundays it's open till 5, but it's not. On Sundays it's open till 6. So if you've missed your evening tea, coffee, you're in a rush, you've had a long day of shopping on a Sunday, make sure you come here before 6 o'clock. The staff here is also so nice. They got me two ketchup packets, Here. You can see there. You don't have to pay for that too. You've got your sugars and salts and all of that right here. Behind the kettle, I'm too lazy to get up. I don't know if you saw it on the frame. I don't know if it's in the frame or not, but whatever, yeah. I'm not gonna edit, man. First vlog series, I suppose. Amateur. And they've got these sign postings also. If there's a wet floor, they put it over here. It's not wet, but hey, you can always slip on a wooden floor, no? Don't take these sign postings seriously. It's a wonderful place to be. You smell a lot of food. There's wonderful music too, all the time. Gosh, if I could work here, man, I would. Smelling delicious smells, making wonderful food for people without getting your hands dirty, I suppose. I mean, you can wear gloves, but most of it is, as far as I know, pre-made. You just gotta put it in. You gotta bake it, you gotta heat it, blah blah blah. And you know what? One more thing. If this is, I don't know, only Greg's I've heard it from. If you've got like veggies on it or something on your pizza, they usually don't warm it up. So if it's cold, it's cold. But hey, you know what? This is tasty even when it's cold, by the way. I've tried it in every fucking way. I've tried it when it's gone, 2 days old, 3 days old, and I'm still able to eat it. So yeah, it's tasty, it stays fresh for a long time. Student friendly, pocket friendly, health friendly too. Why not have junk food, man? What do you think? This is carbs. There's cheese on it, so that's your fat. You've got a lot of butter, that's again fat. If you add veggies to it, that's your fiber. You add meat to it, that's your protein. There's your junk food. Delicious junk food, healthy junk food. right? So don't shy away from junk food. And what? Ketchup? You know what ketchup is? Tomato. That's your fruit. By the way, tomato is a fruit, not a veggie. I mean, I'm not saying it. That's what the science community says, or the food community, whoever they are. I'm not gonna fact check that. Too lazy to do that. At least you can put down in your comments if I'm wrong. I'd love to be corrected. Any interaction is always welcome. It's warm too. The place is warm. Usually, if you go out, come back in, this will be very warm. If you go to Costa, they've got cooling over there. But this, I think they have cooling too. But I mean, it's all baking and all of that. I think that just makes it warm. Beautiful. That's just seating now. There's a family sitting here. They left, so that's why I wouldn't show you in the camera. But that's them, and that's your entire store. And you've got beautiful paintings over here. Walls. I don't know. I'm too lazy to get up, man. Fine. There you go. I'm going to seat behind me. This is better. And this was where I was sitting. So, do come here. It's a lovely place. Eat up, energize yourself, charge yourself, and then go back home. Yeah, meet the duckies before you go home. They love people who don't bother them. At least them. You go sit with them. You don't need to feed them. They find their own food. Ciao.